Hey y'all, what's good? Just wanted to come and show you all of the oleander that I harvested today, and I'm just gonna bunch some of it up for my aunt. She uses it for her and my uncle, and then I make like a cream to use on my skin with it. So I gotta boil it down and all that once I pick all the leaves and stuff. And then I have some ferns also that I collected, and I'm gonna dry those and use those for some of the pressed flower, frames and things. So I'm gonna do that. And then I did harvest some of the sea pods from the crepe myrtle, and I'm going to get those ready so that I can ship out to the ladies who requested some seed pods. So, and actually, yeah, and if I have some cuttings, I'll even try to send some cuttings. If I have, I think my wood might be a little bit too old for you to start it with the cuttings. I don't know if I have any soft wood on it. I'll have to check and see. But yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to, and I just want to share that with y'all. So I'll be back.